Hello, my name is Simon. Welcome to Kent High Performance, where we are proud to offer this rare 1989 Ferrari 328 GTS ABS model finished in Blue Chiaro with Magnolia leather and navy carpets. This is one of only 292 right-hand drive examples ever built. She has covered 65,300 miles from new and benefits a full cam belt service carried out in November 2021. Supplied new by Maranello in October 1989, the car has a superb service history. The car comes complete with all original leather book pack and toolkit. Going into the interior of the car, one can only say that the Magnolia leather is looking very fresh and in excellent condition. If you have any questions or would like to view the car, please call us on 01622 759 599. Many thanks for your time. Bye bye.